Let us look at an example study. Here, a randomized trial is being conducted. The researchers expected a 20% dropout rate for this particular clinical group. Actually, by the end of the study, of the 90 people recruited, 10 people have missing data. Do you think the extent of missing data is okay in this study? Of the 10 people with missing data, 7 were in the intervention group, and 3 were in the control group. How do you feel now? Do you think the extent of missing data is okay in this study? What about if you had knowledge for the reasons for the missing data? 3 participants left the study for unknown reasons. One said they had been vomiting all day and felt dizzy on standing, so decided to stay in bed. One forgot to attend the follow-up appointment. One had to go to the hospital to be placed on a drip to replenish fluids as they'd recently been poorly. One missed the appointment as their car broke down. One had to leave the follow-up appointment early to collect their children from school. One decided to leave the study, but didn't experience any negative side effects. One won a cruise, so wasn't around for the follow-up. How do you feel now? Do you think the extent of missing data is okay in this study? Assessment of bias due to missing data requires consideration of the amount of missing data. For this study, 11%, 10 out of 90 participants, had missing data, which is not unreasonable. The distribution of missing data across study groups. In this study, more data is missing from the intervention group than there is for the control group, which is a bit worrying. The reasons for outcomes being missing. A concern here is that the reasons for people missing from the intervention look like they might be related to their response to the intervention. In this example, there will be some concern about risk of bias due to missing data since the numbers of withdrawals differ between groups, and for some individuals the reasons for withdrawing are unknown.